Hi everyone, it is February 6th. We have a blizzard. It is Betsy Drennan's birthday, and inside this window you can see Luca all dressed up and ready to come outside and play. Someone very thankfully did our steps and our walkway here, which I can show you. Here's the window of our house. That's pretty much what's going on here. Let me just show you what our car looks like. See this giant marshmallow? This right here is our car. My guess is it will be here for several days, but let's take a look at it and see from over here. I would say we have an estimated 20-some inches and falling. So it is absolutely beautiful out. The weather's very nice, and very soon, here's our neighborhood. There's some people outside doing their thing. Very soon, you will see my little kid outside in the snow for her first big snowfall. We'll be back.